Okay, so next let's look at the next example. Okay, so which is z equal to 6 minus 3y plus 2x. Okay, so if you look at here, there are no variable missing. Okay, all x, y, and z is in the equation. Therefore, we need to have 3 traces. Okay, before we combine all the traces to make a surface. Okay, alright. So let's say first we do the x and y trace. Okay, and then second maybe we try x and z. Okay, and then the last trace is y and z. Okay, so for xy panel, okay, xy plane. Okay, so meaning that the z is 0. Okay, so for x, z exists, so meaning that the y is 0. And for y, z exists, meaning that x equal to 0. Okay, at the plane of x equal to 0. Okay, so now let's calculate. Okay, so the first one for z equal to 0, we have 0 equal to 6 minus 3y plus 2x. Okay, so let y on the left hand side, because we have the y-axis for the vertical there. 6 plus 2x, y equal to 2 plus 2 over 3x. Okay, so from here we know that we have the positive slope. Okay, so positive slope that intersect at 2. Okay, so we need to find the value when y equal to 0. Okay, because we want to see the intersection at x-axis. Okay, therefore we just substitute y 0. So hold on, I use okay, 0, 2 plus 2 over 3x to get the value of x, minus 2, 2 over 3x. So okay, y 0 minus 2. Okay, so x is equal to minus 6 over 2, which is minus 3. Okay, alright, so now we know that the intersection here is minus 3. Okay, so now let's look at the next one, which is when y equal to 0. Okay, so we substitute y 0, so meaning that z sama dengan 6 minus 0 plus 2x. Okay, so we will have z equal to 6 plus 2x. Okay, so for this one we know that it is positive slope also, and then intersect at 6. Okay, 6. Okay, so we want to know what is the intersection at the x-axis. So we need to substitute the value of 0 for z. 6 plus 2x. Okay, so 2x is equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3. Again, it is negative. Okay, so it will be here negative 3. Okay, alright, so next one, we look at the x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0. And then will be z equal to 6 minus 3y. Okay, plus 0. So we have z equal to 6 minus 3y. Okay, so this time is negative slope. If negative slope is passing to 6. Okay, negative slope, and it's intersect at 6. And then we need to substitute the value for z equal to 0, okay, in order to get the intersection at y-axis. So 6 minus 3y. So 3y equal to 6, y equal to 2. So we'll obtain y equal to 2 here. Okay. Alright, so now we want to combine all the traces. Okay, we want to combine all the traces. Okay, so I erase this one first. Okay, we want to see at the plane x, we have z, x, Okay, so now we just merge. Okay, so now let's look at the first one, the first plane, XY plane, where Z equal to 0, so meaning that it's on the floor, right? It is on the floor. Okay, so we have the X is negative, so maybe we can extend this. X is negative. X is negative 3, negative 3. So let's say here is negative 3, and then Y is positive 2. Okay, so Y is positive 2. Okay, so we just, even though we did not use the apa tu nama dia, scale, okay, so basically we already label, so it's okay. Okay, that one. Okay, and then we look at the front wall, side wall. Okay, for Y equal to 0, side wall, we have Z and X plane. Okay, so X is negative, okay, still negative 3, and Z is 6. Okay, Z is 6. Okay, so that one. Okay, last one is when X equal to 0. Okay, it is a front wall. Okay, we have Y and Z plane. Okay, so Y2, Z is 6. So Y2, Z is 6. So here. Okay, so it is intersect. Okay, so basically our plane is this one. Okay, so it's very big basically. Okay, so we can imagine that one. Alright, so that is our plane. Okay, in 3D. Okay, so it's very. Alright, that is our surface. Our surface. Okay, we call it as tetrahedron.